Hey, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to reveal a very innovative product that just it's come out recently. So this is a heated pet bed. Now, you've heard of heated blankets. This is a heated pet bed for like an animal, like it could be a kitten, it could be a dog, right? Reasonably simple product, all right? And these are the sort of products that you want to jump on, right? But again, look at this, have a look at this, right? It's basically, it retails for $50. You actually do make a little bit of money. For some reason, I think I'm in New Zealand at the moment, right? And it's a reasonably simple product, right? Let me just show you the numbers doing on this, right? 12,000 US in revenue, 12,000 in US in revenue, right? And this is doing about roughly 253 sales a month. And it's basically a blanket, an electric blanket that's for pets, all right? So if you did electric blankets for adults, there's certificates you got to submit. They want to see CE, safety certificates, voltage certificates. They want to see approvals for this and that, all right? Which you can get. We've got clients who do complicated products, but this is for a pet, right? There's a lot less sort of stuff you got to do. But this is actually just a sign of the times on how innovative products can be for pets, all right? There's so many new products coming out for pets all the time. Pets, babies, homewares, right? But this is an example of a heated dog bed that's doing incredible numbers, all right? So if you're looking for the next product, if you're looking to know how to research products, how to find products just like this, don't forget we've got a webinar happening. Click below the link, you'll see a link there where you can access one of our live presentations. You could also join us at our 2-day workshop. So if you're in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to get something started on Amazon and you're looking for kind of like the next step, you're looking for guidance, students bring the laptops, we find products in the room, we find suppliers in the room, and we actually get products, sometimes if you're up to that stage, listed on Amazon in the room. I'd love to see you there. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.